Entering and exiting a standard wheelchair has long been the major cause of accidental falls and injury. A standard wheelchair provides an unstable platform, and this is often exacerbated by either failure of the brakes or forgetting to engage them. The consequence is plain to see. With Staxi, this scenario is almost totally eliminated. The Staxi transport chair provides a solid, stable platform, sturdy and perfectly balanced. Plus, with the addition of the revolutionary and unique fail-safe braking system, the chair only moves when the brake is disengaged by the attendant, making it inherently safe and eliminating brake failure or failure to deploy. Now that's safe and secure. So how do you safely enter and exit the Staxi? Every Staxi transport chair comes equipped with a plastic-covered graphic label, which clearly demonstrates to both the patient and attendant how to enter and exit the chair. To enter and exit the Staxi, we strongly recommend entering from the side. Simply begin by lifting one armrest. Either side of the chair can be used. You no longer have to enter from the front like you would a conventional wheelchair. The danger of brakes failing and the chair moving is a thing of the past. It's so much safer and easier to enter and exit from the side. Lift the armrest. The patient then enters from the side. When comfortable, they pivot their body to a forward-facing position, placing the armrest down again and locating their feet on the footrest. With Staxi's balanced ergonomic design, exit and entry is stress-free, safe, and secure. When exiting the chair, simply follow the same procedure in reverse. Some patients may need assistance when entering and exiting the chair. It is important to note that each individual patient's ability will vary and should be assessed as such. If the patient requires assistance, simply lift the armrest for them and remember that the Staxi chair will remain a safe and secure platform while you are concentrating on the patient. Steady the patient to the side of the chair, guiding them as required, and assist as necessary to ease them onto the seat. Once comfortable, aid them, if required, to pivot their legs securely onto the footrest. Once secured, place the armrest in the down position, and you're good to go.